Ooh, what are we eating, guys?
Strawberry shortcake.
Let me see what you've got.
Strawberry shortcake.
What do you think of it?
Good.
Yeah?
Yep.
What's your favorite part?
The cake and strawberries and the cream.
Mmm. Kenna, is it good?
No.
What, honey? Say yes?
Yeah.
It's good? Yeah? Oh, she's figured out how to do it. Why don't you dip the cake in there? Watch.
Mommy, what's this thing in the middle?
Oh.
See this? See this? Look. What's that?
Oh, that's part of the cake. It just left some cake on there. If you scraped it off with your fork, it tastes yummy. It's cake.
This cake.
It's cake. Hey, what's on your back?
Butterfly.